Secret codes have been around for thousands of years. The famous Roman Emperor Julius Caesar used to send coded messages to his army to help him expand the Roman Empire. Today, you're working for the FBI, and we need to break a secret code for one of your agents out in the field. All right, let's get started. Hi, I'm Dan, and welcome to Awesome English. This lesson is from our inquiry series where writing instruction, and in this case, mathematics, is integrated into real-world projects. Lessons follow our design cycle: investigate, design, create, and evaluate. Each section can be paused so you can complete the tasks. You can also create a range of text types to go with these projects, like persuasive text or recounts. You can use our other videos to help you with that. All right, let's get started. So your inquiry project today is about breaking codes to reveal a secret message. So let's first start by investigating. What do we know and what do we want to know about code breaking? Who uses them and why? If you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. All right, let's start talking. All right, remember, you and the FBI today. You have just received a secret code for one of your undercover agents. Break the code to reveal the secret message. So our design brief or learning objective today is to be able to break a code to reveal a secret message. Now, you could do this project in collaborative groups or individually. Let's get started. All right, let's create a solution for this project. Now, develop a list of clear actions. Now, they might be to crack the code and reveal the secret message, to develop your own code and send a secret message in return, to write a formal letter to an FBI agent about your code. Maybe you could even make a video or a presentation about the whole project. All right, let's get going. Okay, so here is our example code for this project. Now remember, you can crack additional codes or make up your own. So this one today is all about a basic algebra. So using the key, solve the secret message. Work collaboratively or individually to solve this problem. As an extension, you could write a letter to this agent, maybe with a new coded message in reply. All right, let's check it out. All right, so our final stage in the design cycle is to evaluate and get feedback. So let's set up a feedback session. Share your formal letter, your code or the ideas you used. What worked well? What could be improved? You may want to present these ideas to your community as well. Good luck and have fun. Thanks for learning us today at Awesome English, and thanks for helping the FBI. And remember to stay awesome.